Maybe a new visitor will shake things up a bit. Today is a big day. Mom and Dad are introducing Pipsqueak to the rest of their cuddly clan. Pipsqueak says hello, the only way she knows how. For goats, headbutting is a playful way to greet other members of the pack. But the greeting doesn't go over so well. Not even Buttermilk is willing to go out of his way to introduce himself. She sure is different. While little Pipsqueak is eager to play, just watching her is enough to exhaust the pups. So for now, she'll have to find ways to amuse herself.